Anong ulam?
Sinigang.
Sinigang na hipon na maraming gulay at laman. Dami ah. Kanino yan?
Siyempre.
Sa akin?
Maraming gulay.
Hindi ako nagkamali. Maraming gulay.
Shrimp.
What?
I don't want shrimp.
Don't like shrimp. Why? That's nice.
No, I don't like shrimp.
Don't like
Only the vegetable you want.
Mamaya.
Okay.
I
Oh,
have vegetable with the
sa akin.
rice.
With the rice?
I have vegetable with the rice.
Ayan.
Course, baby.
Itong
This way.
kasawa natin. At yan ang dito ko, okra. Sit. Tikman muna natin bago tayo magpaalam. Tamang lasa nito. Ikopi natin ng sabaw. Whoop. Sarap. That's it. Yummy. Bye-bye.
Kinamay sa akin.
Can I pause?
Sa'yo.
Can I pause?